Today we discuss the concept of K-map, which is very useful tool in digital electronics. It is used to simplify the Boolean expression. We first start, what is K-map? K-map is just a graphical representation of truth table. It consists of grid where each cell represents each row of the truth table. The 2 by 2 K-map of a truth table is represented as in the figure. A and B is the input variable and 0 and 1 is the truth value of these input variables. If the output of the input variable is X, then we put it into the K-map as shown in the figure. If we have 3 input variables, we create a grid of 8 cells as represented in figure. Here we represent truth table in the figure. Here it is mentioning that 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2 is just an optional to understand the making of truth table. We just write from ABC. Here from the right C input variable, only 2 to the power 0 is 1, means we write 0 and 1 alternately. 2 to the power 1 means 2, that is B, the variable in truth values of B is written as 0 0 1 1 and either alternately 2 0 and 2 1. Similarly 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4, so the input options of A is written as 4 0 and 4 1 alternately, and so on. Here it is worth noting that in each cell the difference between the bit is 1. That means only one bit changes from cell to cell. Similarly, for 4 input variable, we create a grid of 16 cells as shown in the figure. A, B, C, D is the input variable. The value written outside the grid is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Here it is also noting that the sequence of 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 is actually 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, but for the rule changing of one bit, we mentioning here 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Here we represent a truth table of 16 cells with 4 input variables. We take just an example of 3 input truth table and its conversion in K-map. We first start to put the output variable in its corresponding cell as shown in the figure. After putting all the output variables in the corresponding cell, we get final result as shown in the figure. This is the final K-map of the given truth table of 3 input variables. Here we convert Boolean expression to its corresponding K-map. Here we take an expression having 5 terms where it is clearly mentioning that the Boolean expression having 3 input A, B and C. So we draw a K-map of 3 input. In Boolean expression, the given term is put it with the value of 1 in K-map, and the rest cell in the K-map is written by 0. So we finally found the K-map as shown in the figure. Here the first term is a bar dot b bar dot c. That means a bar means 0, b bar means 0, and c means 1. So we put it into the cell, corresponding cell as shown in the figure. Similarly, all the 5 different variables terms are put it into the K-map as shown in the figure. To solve the K-map, we first create a group, and for creating a group of cells we must follow some rules. The first rule is the grouping must be shape of rectangle. It means we group a cell with a rectangle, and we not follow any diagonal rectangle. Here we put 2 figures. Left one is the right K-map figure, and the rightmost is wrong K-map figure, where it is by the rule always rectangle is either in vertical or horizontal direction, not in diagonal direction. The second rule is all the rectangles must contain the value 1, not 0. Means we only group the value of 1 in K-map, not 0. Here we fit another 2 figures. Leftmost is the right figure and the rightmost is the wrong, because we see that in the wrong figure in a rectangle 3 1 and 1 0, which is wrong. The third rule is the grouping is of the cell must follow the numbers which is of the power of 2, either 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Means we create octet, duet, quad, etc. In the wrong figure we see that there is 6 cells which are grouped in 1, which is wrong, because 6 is not the power of 2. The outside edge of the K-map means the value of 1 on the boundary of the K-map is considered adjacent, because we group the cells which are adjacent. If the cell contain more than one rectangle, we must focus on at least one cell is unique to it. In the wrong figure we see that if we create a horizontal rectangle, then no uniqueness of cell is present. So we must write as the figure shown in the leftmost, either in right figure. We first choose the largest group. Means if we group 8 cell, we not group 4 or 2 cells. Just like in the right figure we must group 8 cells as a one group, but in the wrong figure we must create a group of 2 with 4 cells, which is wrong, because if we group 8 cell at a time, we just avoid grouping of 4 cells in 2 different blocks. Every one must be covered by at least one rectangle. In the wrong figure, we see that the cell number 0010 having input 1, having output 1 is in any rectangle, so it is a wrong figure. We've just take an example of these to understand these rules. The main goal of the K-map is to reduce the number of terms in the given Boolean expression or simplify the result. Just we take an example, determine the minimal SOP. Here SOP stands for sum of product expression for the truth table. Here we have a 4 input truth table having 16 different outputs. We focused on the value of 1, which is written in the K-map. First we need to convert the truth table to K-map, which is as shown in the figure. Here we must follow the rules of creating a K-map. Here after grouping we find 3 different rectangles. Rectangle 1 are, first the cell number is A is 1, B is 0, 0, 0. Then we have created a quad rectangle in rectangle 1. The product of the rectangle is A dot B bar. Here we clear that which variable do not change during the group is the product. Here the rectangle 1, we see that A and B have retained their values, but C and D changes their values. So the result is A dot B bar. We take B bar because B is the value of B is 0. In rectangle 2, it is clearly A and C retain their values, but B and D changes their value, and both the A and C have the value A, then the product is A dot C. In rectangle 3, we clearly see that B and D retain their values, but A and C changes their values. Because B and D have a value 0, so the product is B dash dot D dash. We get our final SOP expression as, we must write these 3 rectangular results with putting plus between them. We find the final SOP as A dot B bar plus A dot C plus B dot D dot. Thank you.